up, y'all? Welcome back to another vloggy vlog. I'm trying to be back consistent. This is me attempting. I don't know if they're gonna be weekly vlogs because I was doing weekly vlogs before, but they're gonna be vlogs. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to get this situated. I just woke up, so I look crazy. Well, I don't look crazy, but I feel like my face looks like tired. But you know, I'm waking up still. But yeah, right now I'm about to go to Target. I always go to Target, but I need to pick up some stuff. Then I'm going to this wine store because I'm doing this thing on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, where I pick something out of a jar every week, and then I go do what it says like on the thing. It's like a trend on TikTok. It's like solo dating / like self-care jars. So I made one, and I'm gonna be doing that every week. So this week I picked wine shopping, and there was this wine store, like not close to where I live, but it's like not too far, and they have some good wine. I've been there before, so I'm gonna go there today and pick out some wine since I picked that out the jar today. And yeah, I don't know what else I gotta do. We're just gonna see where the day takes us. I do want to film another YouTube video today because I promised an OnlyFans Q&A video, so I'm probably gonna film that today. Drink some wine, and then Lincoln Lawyer has a new season on Netflix. I said that's so weird. So I'm watching that today too. Well, I started watching it last night, but I want to watch some more of it today. I love that show. But yeah, that's pretty much what I've planned for the day. And yeah, let's go to Target. I forgot my camera at home, but it's okay. I already went to Target, and y'all know I got out early, so don't judge me about how early I'm out. But I already went to Target, and the wine store I was going to don't open until 10 o'clock. And so I have some time to spare, so I thought I would go to Marshall's because I've been seeing all the girls on TikTok. Everything I do is from TikTok. Like, I'm so easily influenced. But they've been finding like good stuff at Target, like dupes for like what is it, like some high-end perfume and stuff. It's just like other cute little things. So I'm like, let me stop at Marshall's. Did I say Marshall's before? Yeah, I'm at Marshall's. Yes, I'm like, let me stop at Marshall's while I have some time to spare. They open at 9:30. It's 9:22, so I'm just sitting in front of the store. So we're gonna go see what Marshall's got since I have some time. Then I'm gonna go to the wine store. I did buy some. I didn't get anything interesting from Target, but I'll show y'all everything I got once I get home. Yeah, but I just wanted to stop in and say hey because I forgot to film at Target. All right, bye. Of course, I forgot to vlog in the store, but that's what the store is. It's a Pennsylvania wine cellar. I was too focused on making my TikToks, so sorry. But follow me on TikTok if you want to see the video of me like actually in the store. Like I said, when I get home, I'll show you what I got. I didn't get anything from Marshall's because they ain't have shit. I did make a video of like some cute little things, but it's like not stuff like I would buy. That Hello Kitty mirror that everyone's been going crazy about on TikTok was there. That shit like $80. I have a big mirror. Why the fuck do I need? I don't know. I get why people buy it because it's like cute, but like I'm not spending $80 on that, to be honest. Call me cheap, but not for $80. My four-legged niece's birthday was yesterday. Rover. Y'all seen her on my channel before. But I bought her some little toys, and I'm gonna take them to her now. She turned 2 yesterday. So, grab my mom to give her her toys. Look at this. Why not? What is one?
He should have said that at 8 in the morning.
Yeah. I thought you were tired. It's a little MCM. Okay, y'all, I'm back home. I just wanted to show y'all what wine I decided to get. But full video, like I said, is on my TikTok. Cause like I said, I did a whole little video. But I decided to get the strawberry fizz wine. I feel like I had this before, but it was a long time ago, and I don't know. So that's what we just gonna drink today. Honestly, I'm probably about to drink it in a little bit. I didn't really get much else. I just picked up some stuff I needed from Target. Sorry, I know the lighting's bad. I got some more reusable wipes. I use them like as like dish rags because I throw them away after, because I'm like really germophobic. So I don't know, I'm weird like that. Like I don't reuse like dish rags. I just use these and throw them away because that's just how my mind works. I don't know. Then I got me this Olipop. I never tasted lemon lime flavor, so I just randomly got this. My favorite is probably the grape, but I want to taste this. I love Olipop. I don't know how I never tasted though. Ooh, I'm blurry. Damn. But yeah, I don't know why I never tasted that one. I just haven't. Here we go. I got this new notebook because my old notebook for my content is filling up. So I got a new one, and it has little tabs on it, which I love, because I could separate, like, you know, TikTok content, Instagram, YouTube, and it can be all organized. I was using like the same notebook for everything. But I mean, I can still use the same notebook, but it's separated with the tabs. So I like that. I'm gonna check back in with y'all. I'll record something later. I'm recording my OnlyFans Q&A today. That's what I said earlier. But yeah, I'll check back in with y'all. I'm about to give me something to eat. I'm gonna record this OnlyFans video. Excuse me, sorry. I was disgusting, right? I'm sorry. Is that a pimple? I need to put pimple patches. I said that so hard. I need to put pimple patches on tonight. Oh my god, yeah. But yeah, I'm about to sorry, I don't know what's going on. But I started drinking this wine. It's not that good, I'm not gonna lie. I should have got the peach, because peach is like my favorite like flavored stuff. I don't know. Yeah, you know. But it's not my favorite fruit. My favorite fruit is pineapple, but like peach is like my favorite like flavor of things, if that makes sense. But pineapple is my favorite fruit. That's why. Yeah, it's not that good, but I just want it to be. It's still early. Y'all can see the light out. I'm in front of our window right now. I'm about to record this OnlyFans video, and then I don't know what. But yeah, I gotta make a little. It hurt something. But yeah. Ooh, my bell in the background. Cause I'm making a spend a day with me for TikTok, so gotta. Yeah. Okay. I made some. Sorry, I always do that when I'm talking too fast. Literally a thing of mine. But I'm making a YouTube video today. Then I'm making 3 different TikToks, like all at the same time, and it's so confusing. That's why if y'all are a content creator and don't have 2 phones, you need to get 2 phones. Like this phone, my phone is just like a 12 Pro Max because I don't care. Like I just use it like to talk to family and like, you know, it's just whatever. But this phone is for content, so it has to be like the newest phone. So it's like the 14 Pro Max. So all my content is on this phone. So, you know, you don't confuse like personal and like business. So I'm telling you, if you don't have, I think the mailman's here, that's why I keep hearing things slamming, and dogs barking and shit. But if you don't have 2, I think that's outside. But yeah, definitely if you're a content creator, invest in 2 phones. You need a content phone, and your content phone needs to be like the most updated one, so everything's like quality when you upload it. And then, you know, just your phone. Like I said, this is 12. I don't care about this one. I literally just got done paying it off, and my bill went down. I was paying like $250 a month. Now I only pay $200 because I paid this phone off. So yeah. And I don't know, I might upgrade it, I might not. I'm about to record this OnlyFans video. I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, sorry I'm on my phone. I forgot my camera. I always forget my camera if I don't wear my big purse or a big purse. I always forget my camera because I don't be wanting to carry it and shit. But yes, the next day. I look crazy, I know, but I'm just about to run to Walmart to get some groceries, which The area I live in, it literally has everything, like every store you can think of, every food place you can think of. The only thing it doesn't have is Walmart. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. And also I've seen on TikTok, Walmart has cake pops. So I want to see if this Walmart has cake pops, hopefully. So I have something for dessert today. Because I'm going to make these pizza bombs. I feel like I said pizza weird. I'm going to make these pizza bombs later. Hopefully. I'm going to get the ingredients when I go to Walmart too. But yeah, we're about to go to Walmart so I can go grocery shopping. Hey guys. Ooh. A little flashlight. Not flashlight. Light. I don't know. Whatever. This actually, okay. Anyways, I just got done on my makeup. About to take pictures for Instagram and OnlyFans. And I filmed a get ready with me for TikTok. It's Sunday, so I usually like do content days on Sunday, so I can prep my content for like the week. So that's basically what we're doing. I'm about to finish. I got my top on, but I need to get my set, the rest of my set on and take pictures. It's raining outside. Yeah, I'm about to do that, take pictures, and then probably cook because I'm hungry. So I'll cook y'all. Just got done taking pictures. I really did not like my pictures, to be honest with you. But follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna post them anyways. Because you know we gotta promote our content. But I got back dressed so I could take my trash out. Then I'm gonna eat. It is 12:30 and I've not eaten yet and I'm starving. So we're gonna make, I think I told you I'm making pizza bombs. Let me show y'all this TikTok. I'm gonna make these.
Right around the corner, and a lot of you with children probably have a full house.
Sorry,
so I decided to make pizza bombs.
I'm excited. I'm hungry, so we're gonna make those when I come back in. Done working for the day, pretty much. Yeah, let me go take my trash out so we could get back and eat. You know I gotta drive my trash to the dumpster because how my apartment complex is. So yeah. But anyways, I'll see y'all when I'm cooking. I was like, what is that by my door? It's my fucking trash bag I just put there. Duh. Do not mind my rosy cheeks. It was only for the video. That's why they look so fucking pink. It was for the vibes and it doesn't show like that on my picture, and I'm not going anywhere. Just FYI. I literally am the worst vlogger in the world. I forgot to film me cooking the pizza bombs. I already got done with them. Let me show y'all. It's fire too, y'all. Oh. That's what it looks like. It's still good. I'm gonna insert my TikTok, but this the inside, y'all. I'm gonna insert my TikTok down so y'all can see. But yeah, follow me on TikTok because all the things I cook, and y'all know if y'all been watching me, I don't know how to cook, but I try. And the things I do cook, I put on TikTok. So follow me. Let me taste it on camera for y'all. Fire. All right. I'm sorry I didn't film that. I'm stupid. I was worried about TikTok. Okay. Yo, I look crazy. I'm deep conditioning my hair right now, but I forgot to film the outro for this video. So, yeah, I'm back. I told you I was going to be back with another video. Wasn't too long from the last one. Then I got some hauls coming up. My OnlyFans Q&A. So, sorry I'm like shaking so much. But we're getting this shit back together. I'm back active on YouTube, so yeah. But I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.